outside. And grown-up types, please watch your little kids. TTFN, ta-ta for now.
Hola. Bueno, nosotros somos unos apasionados de la seguridad. Por lo tanto, permanezcan sentados. No vayan a sacar las manos o los brazos, los pies o las piernas fuera del vehículo. Los pies o los pies.
One blustery day in the 100-acre wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! Hang on tightly, Roo!
Happy Wednesday!
We'll take a picnic.
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
I'm Tigger. Woo! Follow the bonus and Tigger. Steal honey. Beware, beware. Lumps and woozles. Lumps and woozles. Steal honey. Beware. To see the puppet of fire. You'll find that they love it because they got so under baby price. Beware, 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 beware. What a wonderful dream.
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
Oh boy, it's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh!
¡Hooray! ¡Happy birthday!
These are all for you, Pooh Bear.
Look at all those presents!
If you don't like my present, I'll take it back.
Children still love giving presents.